This is a dark psychology trick to build a powerful connection instantly without saying a single word. It's called the silent echo. Next time you want to connect with someone in a room, look at them, wait until they look back, and simply give a slow, confident nod. Then immediately look away. Human brains hate unsolved mysteries. By doing this, you trigger intense curiosity in their subconscious, leaving them wondering about you all night. Move in silence and let your presence make the impact. Follow Silent Thoughts AI for more hidden truths.